Hey everyone, I'm Greg from Duratuf, and today I'm excited to show you how to use the 3D shed builder. So, first things first, let's jump onto the Duratuf website. You can find this at duratuf.co.nz. Once you're there, click on the 3D shed builder tab at the top of the page. Now you see a sleek Duratuf shed floating in grey space. You can use your mouse to zoom in and zoom out, and also find different angles of your shed. Alright, now for the exciting part, choosing your shed model. If you need help, click on the question mark icon and this will give you detailed descriptions of the different shed ranges. There's a choice of semi-timber frame, fortress and kiwi, and lifestyle options. Don't forget the cedar. I think I'm going to go with our fully timber frame shed range today. Next up, let's choose a footprint that suits our space. I'm going to go with the MK3 today because I've got a few bikes I need to store. Now, let's have some fun customizing it. We can add some extra doors and some windows. This will make our shed unique. Here's a quick shed builder tip. You can bring up the option to choose between hinged and sliding doors by clicking on the door. You can also do this with our windows if you prefer to have louver windows or fixed windows. Next up is choosing our colors. There are plenty color options available. You can even mix and match with two-tone color options to complement your space. I'm going to go with ebony today to match my house design. Let's not forget upgrades and accessories as follows. I'm adding the double clear roof panels to let some extra light in, shed alarm for intruders, and a 5-tier shelf unit because why not? Lastly, a coastal upgrade because I live near the coast and I want to make sure that my investment lasts for a long time. If you're unsure, click on the question mark icon for more information. Then choose Save My Design and fill in the blanks. What this does is saves your design so that you can refer back to it in the future, in case you need to make any changes. This is an example of what you receive once you save your design. It's useful for a number of reasons. Number one, our team can contact you in the future. Number two, we can also refer you onto your preferred shed reseller. They can enter the 16-digit code into the shed builder, and your exact shed will allow them to finish the order process. Thanks for joining me on the 3D Shed Builder today. If you have any questions, please find our details at our website duratuf.co.nz. See you next time.